Today, modern science is catching up, showing that honey supports your health in some pretty surprising ways. Let's dive into 10 amazing, science-backed benefits of honey that you should know about. First up, it's packed with antioxidants. These natural compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Benefit number 2 is all about heart health. When enjoyed as part of a balanced diet, honey can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. We all know this classic remedy, it's a natural cough suppressor. Honey is incredibly effective at calming a cough and soothing a scratchy throat. Did you know it actually helps with healing? Medical-grade honey has been used for centuries to support wound recovery thanks to its antibacterial nature. For your gut, honey is a total win. It helps maintain a healthy digestive system and even supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Need a quick pick-me-up? The natural sugars in honey provide a fast source of energy before a workout or a long, busy day. It also gives your immune system a steady boost. Honey contains plant compounds that may help strengthen your body's natural defenses. Beyond just its nutrients, honey has direct antibacterial properties, making it a natural fighter against certain harmful bacteria. Let's talk about that glow. Honey is a favorite in skincare because it locks in moisture and supports a clear, healthy complexion. And finally, it's a much better alternative to refined sugar. In moderation, it brings flavor and nutrients to your favorite recipes. It's clear that honey is one of nature's most delicious superfoods, but remember, quality matters most. Always look for raw, high-quality honey to get the most nutritional value, and keep an eye on your portions. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more science-backed health insights.